Well, good afternoon, guys. I'm back here over at Sewell Motorcoach in Harrodsburg, Kentucky, and Doug Sewell, the owner of Sewell Motorcoach, did ask me to bring this 2019 Phaeton to him and do a test drive on it, but he also gave me a very rare opportunity to take a sneak peek at this 2003 Liberty bus conversion that's built on a Prevost XL2 bus chassis, and I haven't seen it before and I don't know what to expect. The first thing I'll say is it's kind of a weird name. 500th edition slide out one. I assume there's only one slide out on it and it's a series 2003, but it is the 500th edition of it. Now, like I said, I didn't do the inspection on it. I don't know how long it's been here. He just asked me to go through it really fast and see what my impression is on it. And because I had no direction, it's an XL2, so the first thing we're gonna do is check the body panels and make sure they're not loose. Doug assures me this is one of the nicest buses he's seen in his life. And so far, I can't help but kind of agree with him. That's beautiful. I think maybe they already did color correction on it. No, this is their detail bay right here. Wow, I mean, look at that. It's a mirror. I kind of feel bad. I'm putting handprints on it. All right, well, they weren't loose. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a look at it. I will say this does have the Zipty air electric awning on it, so I won't be trying that out. Make sure you ask Doug if it works. The thing about Liberty is they always make it look like a mansion driving down the road, and I would have to agree, this is a mansion driving down the road. Now, this is the first time I've been in this Liberty bus, and Doug just asked me to take a look at it and see what I thought about it, because he really trying to sell this to me. I mean, I can't buy it, but he was very proud of it. And so far, from what I can see, it's something to be proud of. So right here we do have, there's a stock number. It says 146,000 miles on it, and it's a 2003. So that's some all good information right there. It does look like it's all solid surface Corian throughout the entire bus. And these like to get broken. That's not broken. And check this out. They have upgraded the Crestron dash control to a tablet control. That was a big upgrade. It's a nice layout of the dash. I don't know. I'm kind of understanding why he's telling me this. Right above, Liberty's also pretty well known for their elaborate hand painting on the balances and, of course, their ceilings. We'll take a look in the bedroom for that. And it looks like the front TV has also been upgraded to a smart TV. Looks like it has 1, 2, 3, probably 4 cruise airs on it. And yeah, even the mirror above, there's no cracks in it. It's not falling. The suede's in wonderful condition. And that hand rubbed wood molding kind of looks pretty good. Now, as we go down to the floor, I can tell you this is probably not the original flooring. It looks like it's a high quality vinyl composite flooring put at a dramatic angle. This was probably this carpet originally, so that's a nice upgrade that's already been done. This is the one and only slide out room on it. I'm not seeing any signs of water leak. Now, all the bolstering of the balances is a fabric, but it does kind of mimic the look of like crocodile leather. I assume all the shades in here, these are silhouettes, are power. Nice leather couch. And let's see if they're hiding anything under the pillows. Nothing hidden under the pillows. Nice dinette. You know, I mean, the dinette chairs are very regal. And this is a suede bolstering as wainscoting too. Now, this suede material usually stains very easily and shows if there was a water leak or not. And that's true on the ceiling above too, and I'm not seeing that. Now, down over here in the recliner area, I guess that was probably updated. And yeah, this does have the, oh, look at that, flip down keyboard drawer. Again, another Crestron control upgrade. It is a very clean, it's very opulent, but it doesn't have a, how do I put it, over the top Las Vegas quality to it. Does that make sense? And because it is very neutral with its decor, It wouldn't take too much but a few pillows or blankets or different chairs to really personalize it. Now the countertop here in the galley is another thing I love about Liberty. They usually give you a couple different tiers or levels that really helps expand countertop space. She doesn't think like it would. And this does have a countertop extension. And it looks like, let's see, oh yeah, it's all solid wood drawer and cabinet construction, and that is real dovetailing. So there's like a glaze hand rub finish that they put on the cabinetry there too. And this is another spill control lip that I love about Liberty. One massive seamlessly integrated galley sink, and it looks like with the vents right there, this is equipped with bus air. I don't know if this is the original backsplash, but that's again a very timeless backsplash. I don't think that'll ever look bad. We have the convection oven microwave hidden by the doors of shame. And this cabinetry right here is that high-end, high-polished, or glossy laminate that is more common on these bus conversions. We go back here to the control center. Let's see, so yeah, there's two more cruise airs right here, so probably one more in the back. Looks like the inverters have also been upgraded. And wow, the touchscreen still works here too. So they not only updated the tablet control, but the original controls still work too. Right here's going to be the refrigerator, Sub-Zero, with freezer drawers down below. I don't know if we have air pressure or not, but I assume that this is a pocket door controlled by air pressure. It's the galley air door. All right, so no air pressure probably because, let's see, air compressor is off. Yeah. I'll turn that on and see if we can do it at the end. Moving back here, I didn't point out, this is, man, I'm gonna say this is real stone flooring. And it's got, so yeah, that backsplash has to be the original one because it does match the inlay decorative tile on the floor too. And that goes the entire length all the way back to the bedroom there. And hidden behind here, oh, washer and dryer in the galley room. You don't see that very often. I like that. Very often, the washer and dryer is back by the bedroom, so you have to listen to that if you're doing laundry at night. We're back here, another nice feature. I always like how the water closet door is almost like built into the wall. It's like a secret door. And this is, feels like real ostrich leather, I guess. I don't know. Some sort of leather. You can see it does have my favorite Headhunter Royal Flush toilet on it. See over here, has an intercom, probably goes to the bedroom and the front door. This is going to be part of the bus air. I mean, that's a very elegant looking vanity right there. And yeah, that does open up. Beautiful ceiling space in here. Oh, another open medicine cabinet above the toilet. Moving past here, let's see, more closet space with built-in storage. Yeah, I'm not seeing all the normal signs of wear and tear. A lot of times these handles are broken, mirrors are kind of loose or delaminating or cracked. And yeah, look at this shower. Has the same tile as the floor. This is a very nice shower bench seat that you can actually use everything. The controls are over there. 2003, but it has satin and polished chrome fixtures on it. It'll never go out of style. Over here's your second vanity, matches the one in the water closet a little bit. Still seamlessly integrated Corian sink, more medicine cabinets above, and that is going to be real stone tile on the backsplash. I assume there's another pocket door right here. We'll wait for the air pocket door. Oh, look, it just turned off. Let's see. That's still pretty cool. Pretty cool. Down on the floor below, I assume originally, again, this had carpet in the bedroom. I do like carpet in the bedroom, but if you're going to change it out and go with real wood flooring, that's not a bad upgrade to do too. You put a rug on top of it, and it's going to be very comfortable to walk on. So I think that's been upgraded too. We have a north-south facing queen-size bed, aisleway on both sides. I think this is one of the better floor plans to do on a bus. You eliminate that second slide-out room, and it's very, very livable. Let's see if we can't operate some of the shades here. Open all. Yeah, you'll be able to sleep really well in here. Bedroom TV looks like it's been upgraded too. Built-in vanity medicine cabinet, dresser space. And again, the cruise air vents in the windows there. Another touchscreen mount so you can wirelessly charge it. It's not uncommon for the closet space behind the bed to be here, but you still do have the touchscreen original controls from Liberty down there. And more closet space, probably above here. That's where the cruise air is located. Yeah. Bose CD, and that's where the cold air, or this is where the cruise air would dump air out of, and that's where it takes it in. But I think right above is sometimes one of my favorite feature on these Liberty bus conversions, because they're the only ones really doing this. Look at that ceiling. So this is like a domed, almost coffered ceiling, and it has a plaster finish on it, and then it's hand painted for a very, I guess I would call it a tasteful Tuscan feel. I'm going to appreciate anybody's hand painted artwork. You're not going to get that in any production motorhome. It also kind of feels like the ceiling is raised up here in the bedroom. But I guess I don't have anything else to really show you guys. Everything worked that's supposed to work. I would imagine his team and his crew has already winterized this, so I don't want to turn any of the water on. And my overall impressions are, Doug might be right. I didn't see anything to even complain about. This is really quite clean. In 2003, so somebody had a lot of pride of ownership of this. Let's see if this pocket door works right now. Let's see. Galley air door. There you go. Well, that was kind of fun. 2003 Liberty 500th edition slide out 1 bus conversion built on a Prevost XL2 chassis. Can't say I found too much wrong with it with my quick little walkthrough. I don't have any other information about it other than the mileage that I showed you, about 146,000 miles on it. Really nice condition. I would check out with Doug Sewell with Sewell Motorcoach on his website. I'll put a link to the description down below. Give you one more look at this. I can see why Doug was so proud and wanted me to take a look at it. I would be proud of this one too. Incredible value. North-south facing bed, 1 slide out room. Nice neutral, and more importantly, the chassis and the engine. In 2003, whew, I'm not sure they get much better than the Detroit Diesel Series 60, and this might be the most beautiful Detroit Series 60 I've ever seen on a bus. Wonder if Skill Billy had anything to do with that. You don't even want to start it. Even painted the big bus air compressor. All right, Doug, you've convinced me. Really is a beautiful Liberty Motorcoach. Really. But that was fun. Thanks a lot for letting me share this with everybody, Doug. One day it'll be mine. Yeah, it'll never be mine.